Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing Fedora, Ubuntu, and Linux and see if which is best for 2025. So let's first start with Fedora. So its key features are that it is backed by Red Hat, it is the app stream or the RHEL, and it also uses GNOME for default, so pure GNOME experience in here. It also uses DNF package manager and Flatpak integrated cutting-edge kernel or software updates, and lastly is the Cell Linux enabled for enhanced security. Now for Ubuntu, it is backed by Canonical. It also uses GNOME just like the Fedora, but also has flavors like Kubuntu and Xubuntu and etc. It also uses apt package manager with snap support, and it has huge community and third-party software availability. And it is regular 6-month and LTS releases for 5-year support. Now for the Linux Mint, it is based on Ubuntu LTS. It also uses Cinnamon, which is default, and also supports Mate and XFCE. And there is no snap, strictly uses apt and .deb. It is pre-installed and multimedia codecs, and it is also beginner-friendly UI that resembles with Windows. Now for its pros and cons, let's start with the Fedora. So for pros is latest open source tech. It also has strong security since it has the Cell Linux and Flatpak support. It is also clean GNOME experience. For the cons is that frequent updates may break things, and that is beginner friendly, and GNOME can be resource heavy. Now for Ubuntu is that it is best for beginners. It is also familiar Windows-like UI. And very stable. It uses Ubuntu LTS, and there is no snap bloat. For the cons is that snap can be slow or disliked, and GNOME may feel bloated. And telemetry concerns, this is just for minor. And now for the Linux Mint. For the pros is that LTS support for 5 years. It also has massive community and great driver support, and lastly is the multiple desktop flavors. For the cons is that it is not ideal for bleeding edge tools, and it has smaller dev team and slower to adopt newer features. Now for the quick summary, you can choose Fedora if you want cutting edge software, strong security, and a clean GNOME desktop. Now you can go with Ubuntu if you want strong support, a balance between stability and updates, and a large community. And lastly is you can use Linux Mint if you're a beginner or Windows user who wants a stable, friendly, and familiar desktop environment. So that's all for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!